it's me again. What am I doing tonight? I'm going to try to move all this. Actually, I'm trying to take, I'll show you. See this pile of shit here? Well, if I get the little magic hand here, if you look right over here, see right there, that big metal thing, right? That's right here. There's a jointer in there, and there's a pile of shit here. So I'm gonna basically, I don't know if I should record it. I don't like, you want to watch a cleaning video? I don't know, seems pretty stupid. But yeah, maybe I'll record it. I think my bench is in the way too, so I don't know. I'm gonna move this somewhere else. I'm gonna relocate it because it's in the way. There's a small little, I think you already seen in a previous video, small little jointer in my welding machine, and I got a pile of boxes here. So I want to clean out all this shit and put it somewhere else so I can get this area cleaned out. I'm thinking of putting this right next to here for now, and I'm putting this jointer over that way because it's supposed to go to someone else's house. I want it out of here. So yeah, stay tuned for the mess here. I don't even know if I want to record this thing. You don't want to see me clean this place? Nah. I'll pause it and I'll show you after. Give you a little tour. So anyway, stay tuned for more stuff. But I don't know, maybe see, because this thing here, this what do you call it? Here's a foot pedal for my Planichi hammer. Here's the foot pedal. I gotta move it out of here. This thing is very heavy. What is this? There's all kinds of stuff on my floor. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna have to clean the bench next. All the stuff on the floor is gonna put on the bench. This has gotta go somewhere else. This has to go somewhere else. This is where it gets messy. Because then the stuff that's over here ends up going over there. Stuff that goes over there is over here. It's just one big mess. But in this case, there's gloves here. These are going there. There's my hand, my little organ, and hand dryer paper comes out. I want to get all this crap out of the way. Crappy. I just cleaned this part up. Now it's getting crapped out again. This is the bag for my tripod. What else? Oh yeah. Here's the other bandsaw, which had a bit of a goof problem, and I fixed it. I don't know if it was this or that one. This one's getting a bench mount. Possibly. What is this? Trash? Of course it's trash. Now I need something to put rags in. I actually got a huge pile of... Hey, where'd that bucket go? Oh yeah, I used it already. Damn it. I used the bucket. There's a box over there. Is there a box over here? Yes, there's a box here. I know you shouldn't put rags in a box because they all might spontaneously combust or some shit. But that's only with varnish and all that stuff. So, rags. What I'm gonna do before the end of summer, I'm gonna take all these rags. I'm gonna put them in a bucket, soak them overnight with some soap and some degreaser. Give them a quick wash in a bucket. Dump the bucket out, add some more water, and keep going. So yeah. This was a vice stand that I got for that wolf grinder. Maybe I should put the... Yeah, it's an idea. I should move that over and put the metal... Why am I talking a lot? The wolf grinder, I don't really use it over there. I gotta fix one more thing on it before I start using it. It's a junk pile, I swear. Junk pile. Junk pile. That goes over there. There's the cord. That goes in the scrap pile. There's this. This. Gotta find the rest of this piece. More old rags. Star Wars. The adventure begins. Like this thing. There's like a 50-year-old snare drum. Little thing for a snare drum. Goes like that. They were my father's my grandfather. And I don't know where he got them, but busted glass. Round rocks. Everywhere we go, there's rocks. Rockland High School. Golf clubs. Or welding gloves. Welding gloves. That clicking noise I step on is one of these plastic things. So my goal is to move this over here and that out of the way. I also think I should I gotta make a holder for these dies. Now that I'm getting remotely cocky and proficient at using a lathe, I think I could probably make a die. As for hardening the steel, I don't know. We'll walk this back here. There's that. That go right there for now. See the little basket thingy? This is the gas pedal choke, and that's the brake. That's the clutch, brake, and gas pedal right here. What kind of machine? Look it up. M274 mule. It's a very, very rare bird in here. It has golf clubs piled all over the top of it. We'll take care of that problem soon. Take care of the golf club problem. Gotta clean these cast iron frying pans and get them the hell out of Dodge. Of course, what do you call it? Broom is way over by the milling machine. The lathe, I mean. Let's see, let's get the broom. I'm trying to clean this out slowly. Slowly. Trying to downsize some stuff. Problem every time we throw stuff out is like 5 months later you go, oh man, I should have kept that. Yep, that's how it always works. That's how it always works. It's always, oh man, I should have kept that. I should have kept this. You gotta go buy another one. That's what people don't understand about scrap piles. They're there because you wanted it for a reason. Oh, come on, Christ. Aluminum. Shut up over there. See this? I was playing with I forget what I was making. I was making a bug. That was the piece of it. I used to use the beanbag thing and make bugs. That was my thing. Bugs. I made a really cool, what do you call it? What the hell was it again? Praying mantis. That was the coolest one. The picture on my, what do you call it? Facebook page. And I think it's my ex-girlfriend, I think, has it. I should have kept it. It was cool. But that's a shit show in itself, that story. But it happens. Happens to all of us. What the shit. Hello, folks. This is the planer I said I was going to move, and the cleanup spot is right over. Now I get back enough before you can see it. But all this shit right here, which is on the floor, look at that. You can see a floor. I got to move all this shit pile here out of the way because there's a mule under there. That's my new planer. It's old and smaller. Paint can's got to move. This is scrap junk. I don't know what the hell that is. That's probably golf clubs. My vacuum's got to go somewhere. This chair's got to be broken up because it's busted. And look at all that floor space. That's got to go in the garbage. This chair's still good. I got to find a home for that. I moved the planching hammer, and the beanbag's got junk on it again. So yeah, anyway, if you like my videos, you should, what do you call it? Click like, subscribe, and come back once in a while and watch the videos. Also, help me get to 1,000 subscribers and click the little subscribe button down here somewhere. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this scrappy video. Scrappy meaning there's a lot of stuff I've been scrapping, so it's the best video in the world. Not.